Kasisi na bishop moja kati ya mabishop tajika hapa nchini Kenya, Bishop ama tumuite Reverend Allan Kiuna, ameweza kufunguka kuhusiana na ugonjwa wa saratani ambao umekuwa ukimsumbua kwa muda. Kulingana na Bishop Allan Kiuna, amedai ya kwamba ametumia zaidi ya pesa shilingi milioni 459 kwa ajili ya matibabu ya ugonjwa wa saratani ambao umekuwa ukimsumbua kwa muda. Bishop Allan Kiuna, the founder and preacher of Jubilee Christian Church JCC, has announced his victorious battle against the disease that has been hitting him up, ukiwa ni ugonjwa wa saratani. After spending a year in the United States for treatment, he shared the good news during a Thanksgiving ceremony at his Nairobi church on Sunday, December 10th. Katika mahubiri yake hapo jana ndipo alifunguka kuhusiana na yale ambayo amekuwa akiyapitia wakati amekuwa akipambana na ugonjwa huu hatari. Bishop Kiuna recounted his journey, revealing that he embarked on his US journey in December 2022 while already battling the illness. Despite facing a challenging medical journey, he declared himself a cancer-free, standing before his congregation with gratitude. During the Thanksgiving ceremony, Bishop Kiuna disclosed that the cost of his treatment exceeded $3 million, totaling over 459,900,000. He emphasized that the entire sum was divinely provided, and he did not have to dip into his own pockets. For the 1 year that I was in the US, my treatment cost me over $3 million, and I didn't remove one coin from my pocket because the God of heaven provided. I did not call anyone, he exclaimed amid cheers from the congregation. Previously acknowledging his battle with cancer in 2019, Bishop Kiuna stood on the church's altar to announce his complete recovery. He spoke passionately about embracing the process, stating, "Don't get bitter with the process. If you get bitter with the process, you shall abort your purpose. I'm not bitter about the process because I am better. My best days are ahead of me." The celebration had a dual significance as Bishop Kiuna marked his 29th marriage anniversary and 57th birthday. During the ceremony, his firstborn daughter Vanessa Aloy expressed gratitude for her father's unwavering support and encouragement through her endeavors. "I am not a fan of public speaking, but it's Dad, and I am Dad's favorite child. Nobody has fought for my dream like my dad, and I stand here as a practitioner because of my dad," she remarked. Vanessa shared how her father's influence impacted her decisions, highlighting his role as a biggest champion. "My dad is my biggest champion. I married to a man who is like my dad. Since I had a model of my dad, and my husband emulates my dad. I watched all of it, and once of faith held you. You have been the best in our lives." The Thanksgiving ceremony was attended by the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Madam Rachel Ruto, and also the Second Lady, that is Madam Rigathi Gachagua, Madam Dorcas Gachagua, sorry for that, the wife to the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Mr. Deputy President Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua, among other politicians in the country who attended the event. What is your take in regards to this announcement from the man of God? All we can say is that we celebrate that Bishop Allan Kiuna is right now healed, and he is a man that has a testimony to give. You know, sometimes we are told this and that in regards to diseases that people are going through. But you know, there is a God in heaven and a God who heals. And that's why testimonies like these from men of God are testimonies to keep us going and to keep those battling the same diseases the energy they deserve to fight it. For now, all we can say is that we celebrate you and pray for you to live long, Mr. Allan Kiuna, and continue spreading the gospel and the word of God as you have been doing all over the years that we have known you. For now, go ahead and subscribe to FM Show KE.